Hey guys, so for today's video I did this smoked out green eyeshadow and splattered freckles. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the little bell button to be notified whenever I post. And since you're down there, check out my social media. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So I already primed my face using the IT Cosmetics by Pores primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in light 4.5. So I'm just going to start blending this all over my face. So I'm going for a more nice natural coverage. I'm not putting too much foundation on. For concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in light ivory. I'm just going to conceal under my eyes and then I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to set my face with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder. Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to go into the Milani Baked Bronzer in number 4, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit more. For blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso. I'm bringing the blush up towards my cheeks and my nose. For highlight, I'm going to go for a little bit more of a pink highlight, so I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's highlight in Blossom Glow. And then over top, I'm going to apply Starburst from the Anastasia Glow Kit in Gleam. So I applied a little bit more blush on the tip of my nose and also my cheek area. So now I'm going to work on the freckles, and I just want them to be really like splattered and not just placed individually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Mayron Paradise Paint in black, and I'm going to take a little bit of water. I already put water on here and just activated it. And then I took a little bit on the cap and I just started mixing it with more water just so it's like really diluted and not too like black. And then I'm just going to start stippling it on my face. So just depending on how much water you add, you might have to do them a couple of times, or just depending on how you want them to look. So starting on the eyeshadow, I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this bottom green shade. Using a Morphe E17, I'm just going to start packing this into my crease. So I'm going to take that exact same green and a Morphe E27, and I'm just going to start blending that up into my brow bone. I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this dark green shade. I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I'm going to pack that on with a Morphe 2110 brush. I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this dark green shade. I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. So I finished my eyes off of camera. I went into the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette, and I took Extraterrestrial, which is this green up here, and I just patted it all over my lid. And then for my inner corner highlight, I took Sublime and Milky Way, and I mixed those two and just brightened up my inner corner and also my brow bone just a little bit because it is really, really glittery. But that's just what I did. For lashes, I'm going to use the Lash Kitty Scarlet Lashes. So for lips, I use the NYX Lip Liner in Natural. And then I topped it with the Wet n Wild Lipstick in Dark Wine. And then I just patted it out to blend it into the lip liner. So that was the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!